Hello everyone, this is my 2018 Ford Mustang GT PP1 Performance Package 1. We have a X-pipe on it, and we just did the MBRP muffler delete. So we're going to do a cold start, a true cold start. I didn't get in until early this morning, so you're going to have a real cold exhaust, real cold. So let's give her a start, see how she sounds. I think that sounds pretty good. Still have stock cats. Did not delete the cats, or it still has stock manifolds. Really didn't want to take it that far. I literally haven't even had this car a week, so we're going to start with this. We do have a short shifter coming in from Steeda, the Steeda Street. I can't remember all the letters, but when I do the video on that, I'll let you know. But it's the Steeda Street short shifter. So we're going to do that hopefully next weekend. If the parts come in, they should. But yeah, we're going to enjoy the car like that for a little while, and then maybe we'll do some performance modifications later. Thank y'all for watching. Have a good day.